It's a journey from Manki to Jog Falls in the heart of Monsoon. Falls on roadside. It felt like the mountains were crying with joy. Heavy rain, fog all around, and a road that disappears into the clouds. The road winds through the western Ghats with clouds hanging low and raindrops dancing on the windshield. Nature feels alive. Every tree fresh, every turn wrapped in mist. A journey through heavy rain, thick fog, and endless greenery. Along the way, we stopped for some local monsoon favorites. Hot roasted corn and freshly sliced pineapple. Simple joys that taste better in the rain. And finally, Jog Falls. Standing tall, thundering down through the fog. Small waterfalls flowed down the roadside rocks, like nature's way of welcoming us.